Host enters, wearing lab coat and cowboy boots. Host howdy, science rank. Today we're diving into the world of Tennessine, the element that proves just because you're barely real doesn't mean you can't make headlines. Buckle up, this is one atomic rodeo you don't want to miss. Scene 1. The birth of a ghost element. Cut to dramatic reenactment with lab goggles and lightning effects. HOST. Voiceover Tennessine. Element number 117. Was discovered in 2010 by a supergroup of scientists think Avengers, but with more PhDs and fewer spandex suits. The Discoverers, a collaboration between Russian scientists from the Joint Institute for Nuclear Research JNUR and American scientists from Oak Ridge National Laboratory, Vanderbilt University, and Lawrence Livermore. That's right, to SA and Russia actually agreeing on something. This was bigger than peace talks. It was element. They smashed calcium-48 atoms into berkelium-249 targets. And after a lot of nuclear Tinder swiping, boom, Tennessine appeared for a fraction of a second. That's right, blink and TS is gone. Literally. Scene 2. WHY Tennessine. Cue twangy banjo music over scenic views of Tennessee. Host. Why the name Tennessee? Is it because it sounds like a southern superhero? Kind of. It's named after the U.S. state of Tennessee, not because it was discovered in someone's Nashville basement, but because Oak Ridge National Lab, one of the main collaborators, is in Tennessee. The name is a nod to the scientific contributions of the state, not the number of country songs per capita. Bonus fact, the ending puts it in the halogen family, alongside chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Basically, it's the weird cousin who only shows up for reunions and immediately vanishes in a puff of unstable isotopes. Scene 3. What does it do? Zoom in on a sad-looking periodic table, square labeled TS host. So, what can Tennessine do? Nothing. Well, not yet. Tennessine is part of the super heavy elements, which are like the D-list celebrities of the periodic table, famous for being rare, not for being useful. It's so unstable that it decays in milliseconds, which is less time than it takes to forget your online banking password. That said, scientists are studying these elements to understand the limits of matter, nuclear stability, and something called the island of stability, a theoretical set of super heavy elements that might stick around long enough to actually do something interesting. But don't hold your breath. Tennessine won't be powering your Tesla, spicing your ramen, or fixing your Wi-Fi signal. Scene 4. TS, the mysterious stranger. Montage of mysterious music, trench coat, and a smoking beaker. Host. Tennessine is the kind of element that shows up late to the party, says hey, and disappears before you can ask for their star sign. It's the atomic equivalent of a Snapchat message. But don't underestimate it. Tennessee's creation is proof that international scientific collaboration, cutting-edge nuclear physics, and a whole lot of radioactive ambition can bring even the heaviest elements into existence, if only for a fleeting moment. Outro. Back to lab coat and cowboy boots. Host. So the next time someone asks, what's Tennessine good for? You can proudly say, nothing, really, but it's named after Tennessee. Disappears faster than my paycheck, and took an international brain trust to create. And isn't that just like a legend? Throws periodic table like a mic drop. Host. Stay curious, stay unstable, and I'll see y'all next time on Element Uncovered. Exit music. Banjo plus Geiger counterclicks.